Hi there, little artists. Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super sweet, a birthday cake. Grab your black marker, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Let's begin by drawing the first layer of our cake. Start by drawing a big, wide oval near the bottom of your paper. Then, draw two straight lines down from each side of the oval. Connect the lines at the bottom with a curved line. Great job! That's the base of our cake. Now, let's add the second layer. Draw a slightly smaller oval on top of the first layer. Just like before, draw two straight lines down from the sides of the oval and connect them with a curved line. Our cake is getting taller.
Wow!
Time for the third and final layer. Draw an even smaller oval on top of the second layer. Then, draw two short straight lines down and connect them with a curved line. Look at that, a beautiful three-layer cake. Now, let's decorate the top of our cake with some blueberries. Draw three small circles on top of the third layer. Then, add two leaves next to the blueberries by drawing small pointed ovals. Doesn't that look yummy? Our drawing is complete, but let's make it pop by outlining everything with our black marker. Trace over all the lines to make them bold and sharp. Look how delicious our birthday cake looks now. Now it's time to color. Let's make our cake colorful and fun. Start coloring with me, and let's name the colors as we go. First, we'll use pink. Next, we'll use blue. Now, let's add green. Time for some purple. Let's use orange next. Now for red. Let's add deep purple. Now, let's use deep blue. And finally, bottle green for the leaves. Wow, look at our amazing birthday cake. It looks so tasty and colorful. You did an awesome job. Don't forget to share your beautiful drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.